Hi everybody, Che Yiming here. I'm doing this short video to summarize the lesson on healing brush to repair old photos. Okay, let's start now. First, you load the picture. This is a picture that I have given you. I am going to start working from this picture. Now, the very first thing, you do not work on the original picture, which is this one called background. So we create a blank layer and make sure your cursor is on the blank layer before you start. Okay, now to start here we use the healing brush, which is the second healing brush here, right? So we'll start from the simple one. Now you can start with using the normal mode. Okay, we're talking about normal mode, darken and lighten. We'll show you the different later. Normal mode, then all you need to do is find a reference point here and then start painting. Okay, you will remove the line. Do not brush for too long because the reference point may move out of the range and then make the screen messy. Okay, you just do it here. So this is a simple operation. This is how you will use a healing brush. Okay, now when you come to here, for example, you may not get a good result. You can see here what it left behind. So let's go back. We will use the darken mode because the hair is dark, the crack lines are white, so we need to darken the line. So alternate crack here and then, so you can see you have a better better result here, right? Again, I want to clean up this area first as far as possible. There are some black mark here, can you see? So I will use the whiten move to whiten this area in order to use this area as my reference point for many places. Okay, so for each crack line you do two, you will either use a normal to clean up, or you use both darken and lighten. Okay, here is the normal mode. For such a clean background, normal mode is quite adequate, unless you go to a pure white background or pure dark background like the hair area. That may not be good enough. Okay, now so this taint mark, I can see the black one is also darker than the area, so I need to lighten its area. So I change. Okay, I just to see whether normal will work or not. Okay, reference. Yeah, it still work. Okay, we will use it. Otherwise, you can use the lighten mode, and mark here, and you will lighten up. Okay, so just in case it doesn't work on your side. Okay, now the difficult one, I just want to show you the difficult portion. Here, when you cross the line here, okay, you will make your reference point here, alternate and then crack, so that when you move down, you can see you can see clearly you are here, crack, and then click here, right, and then you brush. Oh, I should use the darken mode, sorry. Or not, let's try the normal mode. Okay, click here and then yeah, it worked. Okay, so doesn't work very well for normal mode, so I use the darken mode in the hair area. Darken mode. Okay, okay, so this is how you clean up this area. using this reference point, you can actually use this area as a base to clean up this area. Okay, I will use alternate click here as a now when you I will come to this area. You can see this torn area. It's difficult to work on bright area. You may, if you let's say use a reference point and try to mark here. You can see very slow. Okay, what you need to do is to quickly find a big area, and then just don't care what it's giving you, just paint on it. As long as it's not black now, not a, a white area, it will be easy for you. So after that, I will use the reference point here and then to do my cleanup. It will be easier. Okay, now you can see that it will be a lot easier. Now remember, I will show you the more difficult area here. Okay, when you come to a area like that, make your brush smaller. Okay, so you can have, I will use the darken mode, dark area, and then start to paint here. This will remove the white area. You can see if you paint on it on the darker area, it doesn't change. It will require us to change to the lighter mode later on. Okay. Now change to lighter mode. Paint on this one. It will remove the darker area to lighten it. Okay. Again, I go back to darken mode to clear all this line. Reference point and then paint. Okay, here is the difficult area. Look at the mark, the white color flow all the way down. So we choose the white color, and then we follow the direction and flow down. One time you may not work well, and then paint one more time. Still no good, paint one more time. Okay. Now, to clear this line, use the lighter mode. So you brush 2 times in most area. Remove the white spot and then the dark spot. Okay, this is how you move on. Okay, here be very careful. All the small mark here. So you use a darken mode, and then use a small cursor, small brush, reference point here, and then okay, same thing here. Got to do it slowly, carefully. Okay, so let's move on to next areas. Any difficult area? Okay, no more. I show you how to do the patch, right? I use lighter mode. You can see here. It will remove the tainted color. Okay. Darken mode for the arm. The arm here. One time for the bright color. And one time for the lighten mode. Now you can always use the normal mode to do it in one time. If it work, it doesn't work, come back to the two brushes. Two brushes give you more control. Okay, now you just brush on and move on. After you finish, you merge the two into one, or you just save the file into a JPEG, save, so on. Okay, here you save a file one time in Photoshop so that you can continue to edit next time. If you finalize it, want to post the result on Facebook, then you will do a JPEG. Okay, and save it. That's all. Okay, so I hope with this short video you learn how to use the um, healing brush to repair your old photo. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.